Man, that trigger is sensitive, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I want to get a. They got ones that are just 2-finger ones instead of a whole 4-finger.
Yeah.
Oh, contractor compact.
Man, spraying is definitely the way to go.
When it's done right.
And like you're not missing your lines either. Like you're not having to go back and get a gap.
Oh no. Definitely not. And then I try and keep it, straight too, so you're not like.
Right.
You'll see that in machine paint too. And then I'm also getting that board underneath there for you too, and it'll be dark and kind of disappear.
Nice.
Kind of did that along that.
Oh man, that caulk line just disappears.
It's definitely very satisfying.
Yeah.
And that's what I meant about just spraying right up to the dirt. And
Yeah.
Then when you get it filled back in, it'll be.
Yeah, it'll be gone.
Because I took the rake and kind of dug it out a little bit.
Nice. I feel like it's also like a good method for really maximizing the amount of paint you have. There's really not much waste to be done, you know?
Yeah, because I mean, I'm still on the same 5-gallon, and this is the 4th wall. So.
Wow. And there's no drips either to like.
Yeah, I'm also using a what they call a fine finish low pressure tip, so that you can. They said that you can shoot it with lower pressure. I still have it cranked up pretty high, but it depends on the thickness of the material that you're using.
There's like no drips at all though.
And the overspray is very minimized with this compared to if I were to use just like a regular Rack 6 or Rack 5. And it actually come out a little smoother on the finish.
This is what the front of the house is looking like. This side's already been painted once. This is just the first coat. Try to give you a side view here. Look at that. Awesome. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this gray. What's it called again?
Cyberspace, I believe.
Cyberspace gray. Yeah. And this is Sherwin-Williams or Epps?
Sherwin-Williams.
Yeah.
Some duration.
Their line called Duration.
Yeah.
And Duration is like outdoor paint,
They have it
mildew resistant.
Yeah, they have interior and exterior duration.
Oh,
They actually have interior and exterior for all their lines pretty much. And then it makes it kind of easy getting it. But yeah, it's definitely Duration's one of their higher ends.
Blends or
Their higher end
yeah.
of their
How about for that cut in right there? God.
I could have used the bigger tip too on this one.
Like a wider nozzle?
Yeah, this is a, what is this again? A 310. So a 3 is the size of a fan, and a 10 is the orifice size. So I probably could have done like a 12 or a 13, and probably like a 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Because you take the number of the fan and pretty much double it. So like a 3, and then you double it, so I'm pretty much getting a 6-inch fan. So if I would run a 5, I would get like a 10-inch. But I'm getting a lot less overspray.
Right.
Using a smaller one, whereas if I would use a bigger one.
Does the smaller one put a thicker coat on versus the bigger one's a thinner coat?
No, not really. I mean, you can kind of choose how much millage you want to put on.
Right.
It's kind of the good thing with the sprayer as opposed to a roller, but just with a bigger fan and a bigger orifice, you pretty much can put more material on faster. Because your orifice size is letting more material through, and you have a bigger fan, so the orifice size is really how much you're putting out.
I don't know why, but for some reason I thought paint machines were like loud and obnoxious like pressure washers.
Oh, well, I have a small one. I mean, like some are gas powered, and so like, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You can get a lot bigger ones. That one's pretty small.
It seems like it's knocking it out though, just fine.
Definitely. I mean, it's
Plenty of power.
It's all relative. I mean, if you were to have a bigger one, you know, you can push more stuff faster, and you can,
Yeah.
in bigger ones you can run 2 guns at once, and so 2 people can be spraying off one machine.
Yeah. Oh, true.
So yeah.
You already hit the back?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. I hope to show you the second story spray later this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.